Anybody hear that?
Hello, curbside people. Something a little new today. Got my buddy Justin's Mini Cooper. What year is it?
2012.
2012 Mini Cooper S. Replacing a motor mount on this shit box here today. So just wanted to film for you guys something new for the channel. Did a little bit of research on how to jack this thing up, and still not 100% sure, but
That's small enough. Just shove it under the door and see what happens, right?
yeah, you might unlower it. We'll see. Are you sure?
No.
Yeah, something's creaking, dude.
Yeah.
That little box thing is under there?
No.
I thought they said put it on the little box thing.
I thought they said put it under the door frame so that you fuck it all up.
Oh, shit.
I don't know. It's got a piece of wood and shit.
You sure it's not under this? The pinch weld thing is here, and
I mean, that
Plastic.
would make more sense, but that's not what the internet says. And I trust internet news. Boy's putting it on the rocker panel there. Just on the plastic.
that looks further in than where you put it.
Plank's bigger than ours, than his.
All right, your car. I don't care.
Next owner will hate it. Put it on that on this block.
Yeah, I think that I feel a little bit better about that.
I guess we'll see what happens. That look good?
Yeah, the plastic, the trusty German plastic.
Someone's got to tell me that this makes a lot of sense. Clearly, I've already
Yeah,
fucked it before. This guy in the back?
yeah. Go slow. Oh, there it goes. While Justin's figuring the other side out, kind of run through what we're doing today. So we're replacing one of his motor mounts on the Mini Cooper. I think he was saying the front motor mount is a little loose. I guess under high load, the engine wiggles a little bit. Should be pretty easy to replace.
Yeah, it should be pretty easy. 2 bolts, I think 2 18 mils.
It's never very easy, but we'll see.
Just go down nice and slow. Always nice and slow. I mean, the nice thing is if the plastic crumbles, it'll hit the frame. That's why we buy German, right? For plastic? Ooh. I dropped that hard.
Dude, you gotta see when I dropped my Evo after I installed the wheels, that shit came flying down. Oh my god! That was not good.
Do the wiggle test.
Alright, we're good. Solid. Flying Mini.
Alright, so right here is the lower engine mount. Connects the lower side of the engine to subframe, and it's one of 3. The other 2 are hydraulic mounts. Don't usually go bad, but this one goes bad around 70,000 miles, which is about where we're at. So we're gonna pull out these 2 bolts right here, 2 18 mil bolts, slide them out, and then throw in the new one. That's about it.
Fucking
Should be pretty easy.
Fucking easy.
I have no clue how you get to these bolts, but you know.
It'll be easy, it'll be fine.
Like, they don't have a nut, they just are threaded into the body of the car.
Oh, probably the thread's probably in the subframe.
And then the bolts just go out this way. So the only issue is 1, clearance on pulling this bolt out here. And 2 is once you pull this mount, engine is allowed to freely rotate about the other 2 mounts, which is where we may run into some issues and just need to use some manpower and push it into position. So we'll see how that goes. Other than that, it should be pretty easy.
Sweet.
Let's do it.
Justin's got some festive undies going on.
Thanks, Pooh Bear. That's why you don't let people use your socket set.
You missing shit?
And it would be the one that we need.
No way.
Always.
What size? We have some.
18.
18, let's see. Oh, 17's the biggest one we have here.
Let's first check. See if 18 is what we need. No, that's not what we need.
Too big?
Too big.
Oh, perfect.
17, try to 16 somewhere. I need to reorganize my shit. Alright. 17, 16, see what fits. And it's a 16. Alright, cool. This is when you destroy your knuckles.
Yep. You want some PB blaster?
There it goes. Oh, felt it for a sec.
That's how you fucking round a bolt.
I mean, I'm glad it's in there tight, but like, fuck. Holy shit, that's hot. Whew. All right, so that's the install. We did it, guys. It's all in there.
Yeah, just pretend to ratchet it back in. Oh my god, those things are fucking in there.
Here we go.
Woo! I've never seen someone take a bolt out like this. Dude, bench presses.
What the fuck is it? Oh, that's PB Blaster.
Engine oil.
Shut up.
With coolant in it.
That's a Subaru problem. Not a mini problem. Oh, fuck.
Oh, it's so strong. Big boy. Oh.
Loosen 1. On to number fucking 2.
I'm just here for moral support. You got this, buddy. Okay, he's doing the foot. He's gonna round the bolt and then we'll end the video at a mini car dealership.
Where they charge $2,000.
Yes. Oh yeah, he said it was like $2 grand. How much was it? $2 grand for your spark plugs?
$1,200.
$1,200 for spark plugs. I did my shit for $100.
I could have done this for 20. Anybody hear that? She'll come out eventually. You got a mallet?
I have a hammer.
That is not a mallet.
Oh! No, that's just flex. Oh. Oh my god, it's so hot right now.
I got fucked up my shoulder. Holy shit. You'd think this was holding in an engine or something.
That's a secret. Let me try.
Go for it.
Alright. Oh wow, that bitch tight.
You think 2 bolts. Be so easy. Oh.
Ah!
There you go.
Justin, you a bitch!
There you go.
So easy.
Alright, take that whole bolt off. Alright, so now that we got both bolts loose, take out the rear facing bolt, let it swing, and then we'll take out the front one.
The one up front?
Take out the rear one first.
Okay, not doing that by hand. Alright, 1. Oh wow.
No, that
Look, your engine's got balls. Get the fuck out of here. No! No, I refuse. You move. Get the fuck out of here. Look at that. Oh my god, look at this.
new one back.
Huh? New
Now
one?
that we got it out, time to reconvene and get that new one in.
Okay. Old, new. First problem is going to be getting this bolt back in past the exhaust.
It's still pulling the engine too much. Oh, there you go.
Oh, nice. Go in the hole. There we go. You want to set that down and hold it? Yeah. Oh. Hold it in. Oh, yeah. Okay, good enough. We can swing. Ah! That's so hot!
Yeah, this is where we're gonna need 2 hands. What we're gonna do is push the bottom of the engine up, and then we're gonna swing that mount back up, put the bolt in.
Here it goes. Oh, hey!
Woohoo! Pull it up.
You're way high. There you go. Close. Bolt. Oh, pull the engine. Ah! Fucking oil. Oil is hot, guys.
And we're in. Oh, now go. I got 2 up.
Fucking easy. Whoa! That torque steer though. Oh my god. That actually kind of pulls. That pulls harder than the BRZ. Unfortunately.
Much better.
Much better.
All fixed.
Yeah.
The little TLC.
Mission accomplished. Easy.
Yeah,
we said it was easy. And it was. Oh my god, my Evo looks so good. What the fuck?
Now back to the real cars.
Okay, so seems like our little bit of labor paid off. Justin says it feels pretty good.
We're all good now.
So
And
that's
another day.
Probably gonna get rid of it soon, maybe. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks, Justin, for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, that was fun. Comment.
Subscribe to Curbside Podcast.
Yeah, hey, thanks for
What's up?
watching. Peace.